Since I was a child, I've been fascinated by the past and how ordinary people like me used to live. I went on my first excavation when I was 16 and I found a sheep's toe bone, which is what got me interested in how much we can learn from things people had thrown away, like animal bones. Everything eaten by animals goes into making their bodily tissues, which means that their bones provide a record of their diets and life histories. These bones can tell us how animals were being cared for in the past, what they were being fed, and the parts of the landscape that they were living in, amongst many other things. Studying archaeology at university allowed me to combine two of my favourite subjects at school, science and humanities. I enjoyed going on excavations in South Wales, Jordan, Turkey and Romania as part of my training. During my MSc in environmental archaeology and PhD in bioarchaeology, I developed my skills in identifying what species animals are just by looking at their bones and the methods of chemical analysis that we can use to study them. One focus of my research has been animal management in the Scottish Islands in prehistory, which is the period of time before writing was invented. I discovered that farmers 5,000 years ago grazed sheep on the shorefront, where they ate seaweed to survive during the winter months. This is something that still happens in the islands today. I also found that some Iron Age people living 2,000 years ago fed their pigs fish, possibly to fatten them up for feasts as a way of showing off their importance in the community. Later on, the Viking settlers in the islands heavily controlled where their animals were kept in the landscape to stop them from wandering into their agricultural fields and destroying their precious crops. I've had some wonderful experiences and adventures as an archaeological scientist and have made friends with people all over the world. Most importantly, I love what I do.